Welcome to our channel, Farm Animals Quiz. Come on, kids, let's find farm animals. Is that a pig? No! Is that a pig? Yes, it is a pig. Is that a horse? No! Is that a horse? Yes, it is a horse. Is that a duck? No! Is that a duck? Yes, it is a duck. Is that a cow? No! Is that a cow? Yes, it is a cow. Is that a goat? No! Is that a goat? Yes, it is a goat. Is that a hen? No! Is that a hen? Yes, it is a hen. Is that a donkey? No! Is that a donkey? Yes, it is a donkey. Is that a dog? No! Is that a dog? Yes, it is a dog. Is that a cat? No! Is that a cat? Yes, it is a cat. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe!